Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualified round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Bellefield Primary from Manchester up against Independence City Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host TK Dawkins and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Independence City Primary won and decided to send in Bellefield Primary first. So we begin with Bellefield Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's have that time on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge for you, Bellefield. Sarah was the first wife of which patriarch?
Which one? Was it? Oh my God.
Question passes. Independent City, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Abraham. Bible knowledge for you, Independent City. Who was the second wife of Jacob?
Who knows? Mary?
That's incorrect. It's Rachel. Bellefield Primary Science. What prevents sweat from entering the human eye when it is opened?
Because the eyelash.
That's incorrect. It's the eyebrows. Independent City Science. What prevents dust particles from entering the human eye when it is opened?
The eyelash.
That's correct. Bellefield Primary Jamaican Affairs. The NWC is a major utility company in Jamaica. What does NWC stand for?
National Workers Commission.
That is correct. That is correct. Speak up a little louder for me, teams. Independent City, Jamaican Affairs. The NCB is a major financial institution in Jamaica. What does NCB stand for?
National Commercial Bank. Commercial Bank?
That's... Commercial came first, so that is correct. That National Commercial Bank is correct. English language, Bellefield Primary. What's the part of speech of the word excellent as used in this sentence? He was given an excellent chance to redeem himself. Adjective. That's right. Independent City English language. What's the part of speech of the word behaved in this sentence? The boys behaved in the class.
Adjective.
That's incorrect. It's verb. Bellefield Television. What is Dora's surname in the cartoon series Dora the Explorer?
I said no, thank you. I said no, thank you. Say Mary. Don't watch it anymore. Don't watch it.
Question passes. Independent City, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Marquez. Independent City Television. What's the name of the dark purple squirrel which lives in the forest in the series Dora the Explorer?
Mary.
That's incorrect. It's Tico. Bellefield General Knowledge. Which U.S. state uses the abbreviation FL?
Florida. Florida.
That's right. Independent City General Knowledge. Which U.S. state uses the abbreviation NY?
New York. New York.
That's right. The Bellefield Primary Social Studies. Which island in the Greater Antilles has the largest population?
Cuba is in the Greater Antilles.
Cuba.
Question passes. Independent City, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Hispaniola. Independent City Social Studies. Which island in the Greater Antilles is the largest by land area?
No, don't say Cuba. Say Mary.
Mary?
That's incorrect. It's Cuba. Bellefield Music. To what family of instruments does the harp belong?
String instrument.
That's right. Independent City Music. To what family of instruments does the triangle belong?
No, prosecute.
Particles? No.
That's incorrect. It's percussions. Bellefield Mathematics. The product of two numbers is 240. If one number is 20, what's the other number?
12.
That is correct. Independent City Mathematics. The product of two numbers is 450. If one number is 15, what's the other number?
30.
Time's up. Bellefield, want to try?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
Go ahead.
30.
30 is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Bellefield Primary on 6 and Independence City Primary on 3. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.